This is the Kohler 1014065 tank plate. This tank plate is going to work on several Kohler tulip models. Now it is an all metal design here. It's got a little patent number right here at the bottom. I know it's kind of hard to read because of the light and the reflection of it. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of it, get y'all some measurements. It's measuring straight across. So it's going to measure right at about 8 7/8, just shy of 9 inches. We'll bring it up a little closer too. Right there. And then we'll also measure from the center here all the way to the top, get a kind of total height. Now it's going to measure right at about 5.5, well, just above 5.5 actually. Bring it up to the camera, give y'all that as well. Yeah, so almost at 5 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll also measure from the bottom here to the top. If I can get it to sit on that post, it's going to be right at 5 inches. And then we'll get the measurement here of the inner diameter of this hole in the center. And that's going to be right at 3 3/4 inches right there. And once again, this is the Kohler 1014065 metal tank plate.